F1 News: Christian Horner sets sights on Verstappen replacement as Leclerc drops big hint. The start of the 2024 Formula One season has brought chaos, mayhem and blockbuster action already after just 3 races, and Max Verstappen leads the way. Red Bull have far from had the perfect start, however, with the controversy surrounding Christian Horner leading to the futures of key figures being debated. A disappointing weekend in Melbourne for Red Bull saw Ferrari take advantage as they claimed a 1-2 finish through Carlos Sainz and Charles Leclerc respectively, after DNFs from Verstappen and Lewis Hamilton. Hamilton has endured a miserable start to the campaign and likely will be relishing the end of the year when he can join Ferrari, who appear well placed to capitalize on the chaos at Red Bull. But with only just 3 races into the season, all is still to play for and plenty of key decisions will be made before next weekend's Japanese Grand Prix.